Hi guys, welcome to Smoothie and Juicing Time. Today I am going to share with you a dessert smoothie recipe. So we're going to be using both the blender and my new juicer. Yes, this is my new cold press juicer which I've got. So this recipe, what you're going to need is 2 peaches, okay, and also about 2 inches or so of pineapple. I've cut around the edges and just in dices, and also we're going to use a secret recipe, about 1 inch or so of a courgette. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be juicing the pineapple and one of the peaches. So let's go. Let's just turn this on. So first of all, let's just going to put in the pineapples. Give that a whiz. So this is basically a cold press juicer. So we'll put the pineapples in. And the good thing about this particular juicer is it really extracts the juice from the vegetables and the fruit. And then we've got a little chute here where you actually get all of the pulp just dropping out. So we've got the lid on. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the rest of the peach. We're going to be putting it in our blender cup. Now the reason why I'm doing it this way is basically when you do the juicing, you're going to actually get all the bits and pieces of the peach in the blend. I'm also going to be using a yogurt. Now the type of yogurt that I'm using is a Greek yogurt, and it's basically a coconut flavoured one. So it's got bits and pieces of the coconut, but you could use any one you want, any type of yogurt. So pour everything in there. And then we're going to take I'm going to 2 big healthy spoons. I'm actually going to go for 3. Yeah, why not? This is the first time I'm trying this sort of dessert blend. And also, I love to put certain types of vegetables in the juices. Especially, I mean, I put courgettes because of the fact that, you know, you could hardly taste it and you're still getting the goodness out of the courgette without the actual, it's not going to make that much difference on the taste. So, let's go. To mention the 15 seconds countdown. So this looks nice and creamy. I don't know if you can see. Let's just give it a bit of the taste test. Now the thing is, actually I was going to use a straw. Actually I'm not going to use a straw, I'm just going to jug it down. You know what, I'm not a big fan of peaches, but this tastes delicious. I'm so glad that Ipek isn't here. She would have wanted. So the reason why I gave a miss on the straw is because of when you have the coconut yogurt, there's bits and pieces of the coconut, so when you sort of suck it, you're not getting the full effect. Wow. So really recommend you to give that a go. Tell us what you think of it in the comments, and also give us a thumbs up if you like it, and feel free to share, and I'd love you to subscribe. Until next time.